Hello everyone, it's 10th December. Let's quickly look at the headline from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page, we have government opposition spar in NS over Vande Mataram. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Nepathan order. India block plans to move motion for removal of HC judge. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Kerala government to appeal against Dileep's acquittal in rape case. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have ED files prosecution complaint against Jain, 13 others in DJB case. Again, very important. Then moving forward, we have how can India benefit from neurotechnology. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have what is the India Post Dhruva framework. Again, very important for science and tech as well as defense perspective. Moving forward, we have police in hot pursuit. Club owners flee to Thailand. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have provide assurances that Indians won't be targeted safely, says MEA to China. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Indigo seeks more time to reply to GCA notice, cites multiple factors for crisis. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have fire count gives a skewed picture of stubble burning. Again, very important for environment as well as national perspective. Then we have House panel ask UGC to consider recognizing Wangchuk's Institute. Again, very important from society perspective. Then we have auto retail sales see 2.14% YOY rise in November. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Indigo disruptions may then airlines revenue warns Moody. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Zelensky meets European partners, seeks convergence with US on truce. Then we have Netanyahu vows to move to phase 2 of Gaza truce. Then we have Thailand launches airstrikes against Cambodia's 5 killed. Then we have Beijing vows to defend sovereignty over Taiwan. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.